6 of the trophies. One more. Yep, we're in. Guys, here we are on Lightning Link.
Best bet.
The best of the bet. All right, we're at 10 cents a nom. Raise the volume. Let's start out at $5. We need 6 of the trophies for hold and spin, $3 signs for the free games. See what we can do on this game. Three more. Oh. 2 more.
2.
Oh, dollar sign. One more. Oh. Get 3 of the dollar signs and you get
Okay, we're gonna go up
10
one.
free games. Then we're going to $7.50 from $5 to spin. 2 more. Oh. Four more. 4 more. Oh, $500 minor.
That would have been good.
Come on, give us 6 of those trophies, 3 or more of the dollar signs. $46.20, that was pretty good. Not bad. One more. Oh, it just went by. Need 3 of them dollar signs, 6 of the trophies. One more. Yep, we're in. Cool. Let's see what happens on this free spin. I know, I don't normally get it, but Susan normally does. Okay, $15 to start. Let's see if we can get some trophies, some good line hits.
Good one. 5 of them, 3 times.
And let's see if we can get 3 more of the trophies for a re-trigger. All right, we're at $60. 4 more. Oh, we just need 2. Oh, we're in. Hold and spin. All right. Ready? Trophy, please.
Trophy, please.
Awesome. Awesome. Trophy, please. Let's land some numbers or some letters and numbers, big numbers. Trophy, please.
Trophy with color, please. Trophy, please.
Trophy, please. Let's fill it up for $16,000 grand. We've never had a grand. Okay, so we got 3 spins to try to get that grand. Trophy, please.
Trophy, please. Pretty please.
All right, final spin. Need a trophy.
Nope. That's all right. We did all right.
Oops, sorry. Damn it. All right, $270.
And we still have 7 spins.
And 7 spins to go. All right. One more trophy. Or, oh, doggone it.
Come on. Don't quit on us.
All right, we got Jack Riches. Come on. 2 more. Oh, bummer.
Okay, that's
All right.
a little bit.
We're at 355. $364.50 last
Last
spin.
spin.
All right,
All
cool.
right.
So we'll go down to, I'm not sure, 350.
Yeah.
All right, 350. We're going to cash out, guys.
Come on, one more. Give us one more. 6, please.
All right. Last spin. 2 more. Oh,
But we're gonna do
250. 250 spin. And that's best bet. We'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, and we love y'all.